Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video you will learn how you can automatically find or add a contact in Salesforce as and when you got a new booking confirmed in Acuity Scheduling application. So guys, Acuity Scheduling is a booking and appointment taking application. So suppose that you are running any business and you're taking appointments or bookings for providing your services to your customers. So you are using Acuity Scheduling application to create a booking page. And as and when you got a booking, you want to add the same person who have booked an appointment with you inside your CRM application, which is Salesforce. So guys, Salesforce is a customer relationship management tool, and if you want to add the customers as a contact in Salesforce automatically, this automation is for you. Here you can see on my screen now, this will be the flow of this automation. Here, as and when you got a new booking from Acuity Scheduling page, the same person who have booked an appointment will be first searched by this automation, and if the person is already exist in your Salesforce, nothing will be done. And if it is a new contact, a contact will be created in Salesforce automatically. So you do not have to manually add the contacts here, and you do not have to manually search if the person is already present or not. So it will surely save an immense amount of your time and energy, and it will improve your productivity as well. So guys, we are using Pabbly Connect application to create this workflow. And the best part is you can create this workflow without any coding skills very easily. So now let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So to set up this automation, guys, first of all, you need to reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application. And to reach here, you can use this link, pabbly.com/connect. So guys, we have pasted this same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks every month. Okay. So sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard. And guys, here you have to create a workflow of automation. For that, just click on this create workflow button. And here you can give any suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as Acuity Scheduling to Salesforce automation. Right, so after giving the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So this automation is going to work on these two things. So the trigger here is that event which is going to trigger this workflow or make this workflow run, and the action would be the response towards the trigger. So in our use case, the trigger would be a new booking happening in Acuity Scheduling page, and the action towards that trigger would be to add the person in Salesforce application as a contact. Okay, so first of all, you need to set up the trigger. So from this choose app field, choose the trigger application as Acuity Scheduling. Okay, and the trigger event would be a new appointment. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Acuity Scheduling. All right, and here it is asking to grant access to Pabbly Connect. So this is the email ID I have created. I have an account in Acuity Scheduling with the help of this ID. So I'm clicking on next here. All right, and here you have to select that booking page from which you want to take the bookings. Okay, so this is a booking page I have created for a interior designing service business. Okay, so I'm selecting this one, and you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. So we are now connected, and here you can see we have this save and send test request button. So when we are going to click on this button, it will start showing waiting for the response of this connection that we have just created. So to get that response here, we are going to manually create a booking, a demo booking through our page, and the response of that demo booking will be fetched here. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and here you can see it started showing waiting for response. And now let me open my booking page. So guys, this is a booking page I have created. Okay, and these are the calendar, this is the calendar, and these are the booking slots available. Okay, so let's say I want to book an appointment at 12th of August. So when you click on this date, it will show you the time slots available. So you can select any suitable time. So I'm selecting, let's say 2 p.m. Okay, continue. And here let me fill in the details of any uh, demo customer. Okay, so I am filling the name as, let's say the name of the person is demo, or let's say new, and the last name is demo. First name is new, last name is demo. And this is the phone number, this is the email address, and here let me refill the WhatsApp number here. Okay, and here let me put it as demo 1. Okay, now I'm clicking on complete appointment, and you can see the appointment is confirmed for Friday 12th of August at 2 p.m. with this person. Okay, so that's how you can book an appointment. And here let's see in our workflow if we got the data of this appointment or not. And here you can see in this response received section, we got the details of the appointment like this. The first name is new, last name demo, phone number, email address, and all the things are here. Okay, now guys, first of all, what I'm going to do, I want to search in Salesforce if this person already exists or not. For that to happen, I'm going to use the section step, and here I'm going to connect Salesforce application. So when you search for Salesforce, it will show up here. You have to select it, and in the action event you have to select search record option. So here you will find search record option selected, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Salesforce. Okay, and here it will ask you to allow the access for Pabbly Connect. So from here you have to click on allow, and it will be connected like this. You can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking which object you want to search. So here you can see in the lightning view section of Salesforce, we have these objects: contacts, leads, opportunities, and all. So I want to search here in the contact section. So here let me search for contact. Okay, this is contact, select it. And here it is asking which field you want to search. So I want to search the let's say I want to search the person by email address, because emails are unique things. So I am searching it via emails. And in the return fields, I do not want to return anything. Or you can select which thing you want to return in the response, what type of things you want to fetch out from Salesforce. You can enter here. This is not a compulsory thing. Here in the search value, I'm going to put the email address of that person who have booked an appointment, and we have received the test appointment details here in the first step, and this is the email address I have received. So I'm going to map this email label here in this search value. So just click here, and it will show you this first step in the drop down, and when you click on it, it will show you all the data. So from here only map the email label. Okay, right. And you can put a limit also in searching. I do not want it now, so I am just clicking on save and send test request, and it will start searching in Salesforce if the customer exists. Right, and here you can see it is showing us the blank response. When it shows the blank response, this means this is a new person. This is not already added inside Salesforce application. Okay, so here what I want now, when this person does not exist, I want to create a new contact. But first of all, I'm going to apply this condition here that when this person is a new person, then only create a contact, or if this person already exists, do not do anything. Okay, for that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this action step, search for filter here. Okay, and I am applying a filter condition. So guys, from this select label option, I am going to select this label that I have received here in this step, which is the response label. So if a new person done a booking with you, it will give you this blank response label here. So I am going to select this label from the select label option. So just click here, and it will show you the previous two steps in the drop down. And from the second step, map this response label. And when this response label exists in the previous step, This means that the person is a new person and we want to create a contact. Okay, so in the select filter type option, you have to select the filter type as exist. Okay, so when this response label exists, this means the person is a new person, then create a contact. So click on save and send test requests here, and here you can see the status is success, the condition is true. Okay, this means that this customer who have booked an appointment with us is a new customer and we do not have the data of that customer already in Salesforce. So the condition is true. So now what we want to create a customer. For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon, and from this another action step, search for Salesforce again. Okay, here it is selected, and in the action event, now we are going to create a record. Okay, so click on create record option, or if you have create contact, select create contact option. Okay, then click on connect, and from here now we can use the existing connection we already have with Salesforce. As you can see, we have already made a connection with Salesforce here in the second step. So the connections that you make here with applications are saved in your account, so you can use existing connections afterwards also. So here I'm going to just click on connect, and from here I'm going to select existing connection option, and here you can see it is showing us the list of the previous connections. So I'm selecting the latest one, and I'm going to click on save, and I'll be connected again with Salesforce. You can see we are now connected again, and here it is asking for these things to create a contact in Salesforce. So I'm going to map the things I have received here as the test data in the first step. So I'm going to map these labels here. So guys, when you map the labels like this email address, or like I am mapping here, let me show you. Just click here, and from this first step, map the last name like this. Okay, so when you map these labels like this, what will happen after setting up this automation in real time? Whenever you are going to get a new appointment booked from Acuity Scheduling, this data is going to be updated in your workflow, and a new contact with the new details will be created in your Salesforce automatically. Okay, so that's why we map the things here. So if we have mapped the last name, now let me map the full name label, first name label actually. Okay, so we do not have these details, so I'm leaving these things blank, but we do have a phone number or a mobile number, so I'm mapping that. I have the email, so let me map the email. Okay, and in the lead source, I'm selecting other. So you can use all the fields if you want. Right now I have limited data, so I have mapped all the data that I had. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request, and a new contact will be created here in this contacts sections of Salesforce. So right now we have two contacts right now. So I'm clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. It's showing us the success label. Let me show you in my Salesforce now. Let me refresh the contact section, and you can see third contact got added here like this with the name new demo. This is the email ID, and when you can click on it, it will show you all the data related to this person will be here. So this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. So you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, as and when any person is going to book an appointment with you from now on, that person will be added automatically inside Salesforce automatically. Okay, so if the customer does not exist, nothing will happen. Sorry, if the customer already exists, nothing will happen, and if any new customer books an appointment, new contact will be created here. And you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.